The C-Class, adjusting the door height and fore, aft settings. Access the standard door hinge bolt points from the vehicle interior. Remove the door sill trim in the footwell. Take out the edge guard. Remove the side trim pieces in the footwell and on the instrument panel, using a plastic wedge. Remove the mounting screws for the cover piece under the instrument panel. Take off the cover piece. To take out the glove compartment, you must first remove the auxiliary jack. Loosen the circlip and pull out the auxiliary jack. Remove the glove compartment mounting screws and pull out the glove compartment. Unplug the electrical connections. Remove the actuator motor for the air conditioning. Keep the two things in mind. 1. The actuator motor must remain connected to the electrical circuit. 2. Reinstall the actuator motor in the same position. Note, this is to avoid having to renormalize the motor. Remove the locking eye prior to the door adjustment. Mark the position of the eye prior to the removal. Remove the locking eye so that it does not interfere with the door adjustment. Special tool for the door adjustment, detailed information in WIS Group 72/10. 4. Aft and height adjustments are made using the Fore door adjustment bolts. For a better view, the installation locations are shown here on the vehicle shell. The rear door adjustment is also done by loosening the hinges. The location of the bolt points are shown here. Remove the B-pillar trim. This special tool is required to adjust the front door or the front fender transition area. The bolt points are located here on the door. Adjust the door in the usual manner. Tighten the locking eye such that it remains adjustable. Adjust the transition area between the front and the rear doors. Tighten the screws to the specified torque. The contours of the front and the rear doors must be in alignment. The maximum protrusion of the door contours, 1 mm. The doors are correctly adjusted when all the criteria are fulfilled.